Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. This morning I'm gonna make a food bowl for my children and I want to share it with you. All right, guys, let's start, guys. Yummy. Okay, guys, so I'm finished with the fruit bowl. Now I'm going to make like a dipping sauce for them, so if they want to dip it in something. So I'm going to use some peanut butter. I'm going to use some strawberry yogurt. You can, if you're going to make this, you can use any yogurt. I just choose to use the strawberry yogurt. All right. Put this aside. So we're going to put some peanut butter. I'm going to put a good tablespoon of peanut butter. I'm going to put one yogurt, entire thing of yogurt. Okay, so now, right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine everything together. Okay, guys, so here you go. Nice and rich. So now, guys, I'm going to put it in a small container and then put it in the fridge to chill for a bit. My peanut butter yogurt dip. There it is, guys. It's done. Anyway, guys, so this is the end of the video, guys. If you watch this video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.